Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to review the brand new Mibro Lite smartwatch. We will be seeing what we have in the box, design, what materials it is made of, what options we have in the software. We will run some tests and try some of the measurements and see if this watch is worth buying. In the next video we'll see how to connect with Android and iOS, which app does it uses, and what option do we have in these apps. Before we start, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So, let's begin here immediately with the new Mibro Lite. Here we have the box, so let's unwrap it and have a look at what's inside. As you can see in the box we have the watch, and you can see it's a really beautiful watch. Underneath we have the manual that shows us how to use it. Next is the magnetic charging cable to charge our watch, which can take about 2 hours to fully charge, and the battery, which has a capacity of 230 mAh, can last up to 8 days for daily mode use or 10 days for basic mode use. Now here is the watch, and as you can see it has the TPU black straps, which are really great with adjustable length from 150 to 215 millimeters, and you can get it in different colors like. It has a 245 millimeters length, 200 millimeters width, 9.8 millimeters thickness with a very durable glass, and it weighs around 48 g including the strap. It has a 1.3-inch AMOLED full-circle color HD screen. Also, this watch has a waterproof level of IP68, so no more worries about sweat or rainwater. So, let's go inside and see what options and apps we have here. If you swipe down, we have options like brightness to change how bright you want your watch to be, the option to leave your screen on for whatever time you program it, the QR code for the app which it uses, the screen locking option where it locks your screen from doing anything, and to unlock it you need to press and hold the side button for 3 seconds. We also have the do not disturb option, the shutdown option and settings. If you swipe up you have the notifications, which we don't have at the moment. If you swipe left you can see some of the widgets we have set up, like heart rate, where you can monitor and see your statistics on your heart rate and also measure it if you want. Then we have weather, where you can program your city with GPS, steps which monitors your steps, calories burnt and distance traveled, also music to play anything you want from your phone, and pressure to measure and record your pressure. You also can add or cut any widgets you want to see based on your preferences and settings. And if you swipe right, it will show us our latest activity in our watch, so our recently visited apps, and our frequently used apps. If you touch the side button it will show you the home screen with all the apps inside, which right now are on a list view, like sport, which this watch supports 15 sport modes like treadmill, outdoor running, cycling, walking, tennis, basketball, yoga, and many more. Next, we have exercise data, where it tracks all our exercises done, calories burnt and distance traveled. Next up we've got heart rate monitoring to measure our heart rating and our recorded measurements, Spo2 monitoring to measure the oxygen in our blood, and our previous and average records, sleep monitoring which helps you establish a regular bedtime routine and keeps track of your sleep trends night after night. It also has apps like pressure to test your blood pressure and breathe to train and regulate your breathing. Next, we have Met Tracker app, music to play anything you want from your phone, timer to set up any timer you want. Also, apps like Find Phone, Message, Stopwatch, Calculator if we want to calculate anything. Then there's weather to see our current and upcoming weather. Then on the bottom we've got settings, where we have options like raise to wake, always on settings, the brightness to leave whatever brightness we see fit, the off time option, health reminder which has reminders like sedentary, drinking, overlook, exercise, medicine, book reading and trip reminders.
Next,
We have a heart rate warning setting to set the mode of our watch so it alerts if there are any dangers. Next, we have the language to change the language of our watch, also vibration setting where we can turn it on and off and also choose the level of the vibration as we please. Next is the Do Not Disturb option to turn it on or off. Next is the QR code for the app which this watch uses. We also have shutdown, restart, about and factory reset. If we press the side button it will return us to home screen then to our watch face, and if we press on the watch face and hold on to it, it will show us all of the faces you can choose from to change it, and you can change it in an instant by choosing it. Now what we're going to do is put on the watch and test some of the measurement options for ourselves. First up, let's go to the heart rate monitor which constantly will measure your heart rate and can show you your previous and average heart rate. Next, let's try the Spo2 measurement and measure our O2 levels. This takes some time, and it shows your current state of O2 levels, and also shows your previous and average O2 levels. I really enjoyed reviewing this watch and it's a really great watch, so I strongly recommend it. It's really durable, pretty fast, and has everything you would want in a watch. In the next video we will see how to connect it with Android and iOS, which apps does it uses, and what options do we have in these apps, so stay tuned for that. So, guys, this was all for today's video. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video with another smart device.